have fun making this little box. Okay, so this is the template, and I will put this on my Facebook group so you guys can go and download it for absolutely free. So it's a piece of card, and let's keep this in mind. I'm just gonna move it on the side for a minute. We need a bit of cardstock. So mine is an international A4, but we got to trim it down a little bit. So you need a piece of cardstock that measure 11 by 8. Okay, and I'm using this gorgeous green. It's like an olive, it's like a light olive green. Okay, let me just move this out of the way. And then I need my scoring board. There it is. So on the long side, on this side here, score it at 3, 4, 7 and 8, and then make a little mark at 10. Okay, then turn it over and make a little mark again at 10. Okay, because this will give it a triangle look, the triangle shape. So turn it over again on the short side, so on the side when we made the little marks there. So you need to score it at 1 inch. Oh God, did not do a good job here. That's it. And 7 inches. Okay, and then you need to mark it at 4. Just put a little mark. Okay, just put it back in here so I don't lose it. Okay, so this is what we've done. So on the 2 marks from there and there to the marks here in the middle, we need to score it. Okay, so we just need to create the triangle there, and we do the same on this side. Okay, so this is the template. So we need to, in fact, let's do it together. We need to fold everything up, and I'll show you how to get the triangle. I love these little boxes because you can put absolutely everything inside. You can either use it for like chocolates, don't have to be craft related. You can make this in different colors and stack them as a books on your shelf, and you can label the side. So you can put a little label in here that tells you what is inside. You can do so many different things. Okay, so where is the triangle that we've done? So on here, slowly, gently fold them there. Okay, do the same on this side here, and that will give us the clutch shape. Okay, not done a really good job, but you get the gist. So what we need to do, guys, we need to remove the 4 squares. Okay, they need to go. So I'm getting my scissors, so you're just gonna chop them off. Okay, when you do that, cut the score line. See, so that's, so cut the score line as well, because that will give us more room when we put the box together. Okay, remove. It's very easy to do. And then the good thing about this, that you can decorate with anything that you want. And also you can make this ahead and keep them flat, and then as and when you can just pull them together. Okay, so let me get rid of the squares. Okay, so this is what the box will look like when we put it up. Okay, so on here you just need to, So this is the triangle, okay? So we need to bend on the corner, so you get a little corner that looks like that. We do the same on this side here. So just need to fold it again, so you get that sharp, nice finish. So we're gonna glue the side now, and that is your gift box that looks like a little couch. So if you put it like this on your shelf, you can put a label there, and you can say, I don't know, butterflies or labels or anything, and then you can have 900 of those. Oh, it's so cute, so cute. So let's put it together. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of double side tape on here. In fact, I'm gonna speed it up. And that you have it. So you can close it as you wish. I'm going to decorate this box, and I'll show you in just a minute what papers I'm going to use, but it's completely up to you. You can put a magnet. Oopsie. So I've got loads of magnets here, so you can either put a magnet there, which I'm going to do it, so it closes shut, and so I'll show you how to do this. So because I'm going to put paper inside as well, I'm going to cover this. You can either use paper or cardstock. So simply, we need a little bit of double side tape. I love to use magnet to my gift boxes. Way too big. So you can either use hot glue gun, but I prefer double side tape. Oh god, of course, because I'm filming now, this is going to be very awkward. So position it on front first. Okay, don't worry, because you see this bit, but you won't see there. Okay, and then we do another, the opposite. So put the magnet on top, so you know where this is gonna be closed. Remove the backing. Okay, so make sure it's all adhered, and then pinch it closed for 2 seconds. And then you need to open it up. Okay, so to decorate the box, I'm just using my Magical Garden papers. It's my very popular digital papers, full of florals and garden and flowers. There's envelopes, there's background, it's cards background, it's tags. So I just picked a page that had all the flowers in it. So this is what's left from the page. So you need 2 pieces that measured, let me remember, that measured 5 3/4 by 2 3/4. Okay, so that will give it a 1/2 inch border. Sorry, 3/4. Oh god, 3/4. No, it's not. That will leave you a 1/7 inch border all across. Okay, and then you need 2 pieces, so that is again 5 3/4 by 2 3/4, and then 3/4 inch by 2 3/4. Okay, so we're going to do the same. I'm going to put it all together, and then from this panel here again you need 5 3/4 by 3/4 inch. Okay, so we're going to cover the entire box. Okay, so it's all done and decorated, and it's like that. So that's what you put your ephemera or chocolate or gift or anything, and then it closes shut. Okay, so what I was telling you earlier, so if you can make them and put on your bookshelf like this, and then you can just label, so I don't know, butterflies or flowers or ephemera, doilies, etc. So you make your own storage little cubes, little books. And it's cute because it's got that really nice clutch shape. I had so to decorate this and the inside, on the template, make another template and then just cut this piece here. Okay, so what you do is simply put on your paper, trace it and cut it, and that will give you the shape to put it inside or there. Okay, you can either decorate the inside, but I don't think it's necessary because it's a really nice pretty box, so all sides are decorated. Because this is floral, I'll probably put some butterflies inside, and you decorate, you can write anything anywhere. But I had this on my desk, so we make this together, oh god, last month. I will put the link at the end of this video, so if you guys want to show you how to make this. So I thought we can use that as a little embellishment. What do you guys think? I think it works really well, because I was even thinking that, but this is a bit lost. That's quite nice. The umbrella is quite nice, and I like that as well because there's some floral in there. Decision. I think I'm gonna stick with her. So just gonna put this aside. These are super cute, easy embellishment that you can make with just few suppliers. But yeah, I think if you make loads of this, that's super cute way to, you know, store everything that you want to do, or you can use them as a gift boxes. Okay, so it's all attached, and there you have it. So you can store it, of course, like this, so it stays flat because it stands still because it's a box. Okay, so but I can imagine this having like 10 of them, and then you can just label them. I think they're really pretty. Right, I'm going to go because now I'm just chatting for nothing because I like to talk. Guys, don't forget, go to my Facebook group, get a template, completely free, and have fun making this little box. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a really big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if it's the first time you watch this video. Hello and welcome. Guys, I will see you on Wednesday for another fabulous video. And don't forget to check out my giveaway. Okay, so I shared it last week, so I will put the giveaway video at the end of this video so you guys can click and watch some more ideas and inspiration. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and until Wednesday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.